The TST Electric Bike features a robust 1500-watt peak brushless motor, allowing it to easily climb steep inclines and reach speeds of up to 28 miles per hour. This electric bike is equipped with a removable 48-volt, 15-ampere-hour battery, offering a substantial range of up to 60 miles on a single charge. With its advanced suspension system and fat, puncture-proof tires, the bike provides a smooth and comfortable ride on various terrains, minimizing rider fatigue. Safety is a priority with this bike, which includes a high-brightness front light and efficient mechanical disc brakes to ensure secure and visible nighttime riding. The bike is customizable with professional 7-speed gears and 3 working modes, allowing riders to adapt to different terrains and personalize their riding experience. Easily assembled and supported by a 180-day warranty, this electric bike is designed for convenience and reliability with a significant weight capacity of 450 pounds.